later or use it in another project that I can create, I can have that available to me. So I'm going to save this, and now what I'm going to do just for what I need to do next, I'm going to lock the background. All right, so the plan is to take these images that I have on slide 2. I want to minimize their size, but I want to bring one to the foreground, enlarge it, and then add some text on the slide to talk about this one slide. So the command that I want to use to show this to you is called Magic Move. And with Magic Move, in order for Magic Move to work, you need to have some of the same elements on each slide, the slide that you're working on and the slide that it is going to. So what I'm going to do is duplicate this slide a couple of times, one time first and then 4 times. So let me show you what I mean. So the first thing I want to do, this is going to be slide 2, and this is what you're going to see when you get to slide 2. There are several ways you can duplicate a slide. You need to make sure nothing is selected on your screen. The slide is selected. You can go to the Edit menu and choose, okay, make sure nothing is selected. Go to the Edit menu and choose Duplicate Selection. That will duplicate my slide. So now I have slide 3. Slide 3 is where I want to start minimizing the images and just bringing one up to show. So I'm going to select all of these, and I'm going to momentarily group them and then reduce them in size, place them on the right-hand side of the slide, and then I'm going to ungroup them. So again, I want Magic Move, and I want to pull out at least 3 of these slides. So what I'm going to do is duplicate this slide a few times to make this go a lot smoother, and this actually is how you should do this, because trying to transition would be just an exercise in futility. So let's do this. Edit, Duplicate Selection, Edit, Duplicate Selection, or I can also right-click on the slide and select Duplicate. So I'm just going to duplicate it a couple times just to make sure. All right, so let's go back to slide 3. I'm going to click on my center image in my grouping and drag this over to the left, enlarge it, come on, enlarge. And I have some text that I've already saved for the sake of time,